more than this silence. Written by Wendy Meyering. My shattered heart silently whispers to yours, and your soul hovers between here and there. I admire your courage, your strength, your flair, your conquering of so many closed doors. I will always remember your love and guidance. I'll always cherish our mother-daughter connection, our long chats, sweet nostalgia and reflection. You'll always be more than this silence. Written by Wendy Meyering, read by Margaret.